Whatever your purpose of life, respect the value of time, and the winds will surely respect your sail. Life comprises of a beginning and an end. What joins the two is time. Time is the most undervalued commodity of today. Although it is free, it remains priceless. Time travels in one direction only, forwards. Time is what is passing by right now. Once it's gone, it can never be regained. There is no rewind. There is no refund. There is no second chance. Time gives you one opportunity and one opportunity alone. Those that understand this concept will benefit the most. We all have been given a gift, our own balance of time. Your balance of time is already in countdown mode, but time stands still for nobody. However, the value of that balance is determined by you. You are the decision maker. You are the broker. You are the investor. How you use your time is what will generate your value. Money, fame, cars, property, all those materialistic things in life will come and go. But time is constantly going, constantly ticking away. To maximize your time, you need urgency and purpose. You need to ask yourself some thought-provoking questions. What is your purpose in life? What is it that you live for? How have you been utilizing your time? The answers to these questions are what will give you direction, clarity, and drive. Without this, you will be like a boat that is adrift in the sea, floating along, just waiting to be tossed over by the next wave. Pain, worry, sorrow, challenges, and procrastination are all the wild waves of life that can consume you. But never let them consume your time. Use these feelings, emotions, and distractions to sail harder, utilizing your time to get closer to your destination. Utilizing your time for this purpose is what will lead you to success. It will lead you to happiness and prosperity. It will allow you to grow into the best version of yourself. Should you decide to embrace this mindset, you will be victorious. But you must take action now. Not tomorrow, not when you graduate, not when you get married, but now. You have no excuse. Today's world gives us advanced technology, allowing better communication than ever before. Ease of access to all the information we could only have dreamed of a few years ago. Automation of processes that would have previously consumed our time. With all these capabilities and more, you have further opportunities to maximize your value of time. Learn the value of your time. Learn the power of your time. Learn from reflecting on your time. Do not let history be in vain. Learn wisdom from those who truly valued their time. Realizing the value of time, your time, is the catalyst to start moving. The truth is, no one truly knows when their balance of time will run out. But what you should know is your life is shaped by your decisions you make on your watch. No one can deny you becoming the person you want to be, but you. Sail harder than ever before. Sail today like there is no tomorrow. It is never too late. Don't use the excuses of others and factors outside your control as a reason to not start moving. Pandemic or no pandemic, lockdown or no lockdown, change will happen, whether you accept it or not. But your appreciation of time is what will allow you to to embrace change and push through to new heights. Value of time requires effort. It requires courage. It requires passion. And most of all, it requires respect. You do not own time, but you have the choice in how you spend it. Invest it in making a difference to your life, to your family, to your friends, to humanity, to the world. Invest it in building beautiful relationships. Invest it in leaving behind a legacy. Invest it in every moment, every breath you take, and make it count. Whatever your purpose of life, respect the value of time, and the winds will surely respect your sail. If aspiration is your North Star, inspiration is your hope, and motivation is your mission, always look to aim. Aim hard. If you found this video inspiring, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Stay blessed.